In this video, I'll walk you through every step to change your Gmail password on desktop from logging in to creating a secure new password. Open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Make sure you log into the account you want to change. Click your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Manage your Google account. This opens your Google account dashboard. In the left sidebar, click on Security. Now, you're gonna look for how to sign in to Google section, so just scroll down and click on Password. You might need to verify your identity by entering your current password or using two-factor authentication. Enter your current password when prompted, then type your new password twice in the confirmation fields. Make sure your new password is at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Click Change Password to confirm your changes. Google will automatically sign you out of all devices and you'll need to sign back in everywhere with your new password. You'll also receive a confirmation email about the password change. Your Gmail password is now updated and your account is more secure.